Have you ever wished for a crystal ball that could show you exactly where your money goes? What if you could peer into the future of your finances, seeing upcoming bills and predicting your account balance with uncanny accuracy? That's the promise of budgeting apps, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular contenders, Pocketguard. But is it the financial guru it claims to be, or does it have a few hidden traps? Let's explore the pros and cons of Pocketguard. First, let's talk about the good stuff, the reasons why millions of people are entranced by Pocketguard. Its primary strength lies in its incredible simplicity and ease of use. If you're someone who's been intimidated by complex spreadsheets or budgeting methods that feel like a full-time job, Pocketguard is a breath of fresh air. It automatically categorizes your transactions once you link your accounts, giving you a quick, digestible overview of your spending. This set-it-and-forget-it approach is a massive win for busy individuals who want to keep tabs on their money without constant manual input. Another major pro is the In My Pocket feature. This isn't just a clever name, it's a powerful tool that calculates how much money you have available to spend after accounting for upcoming bills, savings goals, and necessary expenses. It's a real-time, dynamic budget that prevents overspending and gives you a clear picture of your disposable income. No more guessing if you can afford that spontaneous dinner out or if you'll be scraping by until payday. Pocketguard also excels at identifying areas for potential savings. It scours your spending habits and can highlight subscriptions you might have forgotten about, or areas where you could negotiate better deals on recurring bills like internet or insurance. This proactive approach to saving money can genuinely make a difference in your financial well-being. Plus, its bill calendar is a lifesaver, ensuring you never miss a payment and avoid those frustrating late fees. The visual representation of your financial health, with clear graphs and charts, also makes understanding your money much more intuitive and engaging. However, like any financial tool, Pocketguard isn't without its drawbacks. One significant con for some users is the limited customization options. While its simplicity is a pro for many, those who prefer a more granular level of control over their budget categories or want to create highly specific financial plans might find Pocketguard a bit restrictive. You're largely reliant on its automated categorization, which, while generally accurate, isn't always perfect and requires manual adjustments sometimes. Another potential issue is the reliance on linking all your financial accounts. While this is necessary for its functionality, some individuals might have privacy or security concerns about connecting all their bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios to a third-party app. While Pocketguard employs robust security measures, it's a valid concern for anyone. Furthermore, while the free version offers substantial functionality, the most advanced features, like net worth tracking and personalized saving insights, are locked behind a premium subscription. For those on a tight budget, the recurring cost might negate some of the savings they achieve through the app. It's a trade-off, convenience and deeper insights versus a monthly fee. Finally, while it does a great job with day-to-day budgeting, it might not be robust enough for complex financial planning, like in-depth investment tracking or detailed retirement projections. For those needs, you might still need a more specialized tool or financial advisor. So, is Pocketguard the right financial companion for you? It truly depends on your needs and budgeting style. If you're looking for an effortless way to track your spending, avoid overspending, and identify quick savings opportunities, Pocketguard is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a clear, real-time snapshot of their financial situation without getting bogged down in intricate details. However, if you crave extensive customization, have significant privacy concerns, or need advanced financial planning features, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, Pocketguard simplifies the often daunting task of money management, putting your financial picture literally in your pocket. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.